you're thinking watching that made you feel sick, filming that made me feel sick. Hi guys, how's it going? It's Ben Cullen, the Bake King. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made a hyper-realistic raw chicken breast cake. I don't know who's going to be searching on YouTube how to make a raw chicken breast cake, but we're here, aren't we? So this one is so realistic, it's disgusting. I think your eyes play a big part in what you're eating. If food looks good, you enjoy it more or something. And because my eyes and my brain was telling me it's chicken breast, raw chicken breast, biting into it, even though I knew it was cake. So anyway, let's get going. I'm going to show you how I made it. So first of all, I just got some cake. And you're just going to cut this into the shape of chicken breast. Obviously, buy a pack of chicken breasts, and then you can use that as a reference. Or you could just look up pictures, but you can get the size and sort of exact colour and consistency right if you buy a packet and have it next to you while you're working. So I'm just going to carve down my chicken breast fillets. The good thing about this is they don't have to be any particularly perfect shape. So, you know, you've sort of got a bit of free reign to make them whichever shape you want. It's more about the colour and the texture with this cake. Each fillet into two, and then layering in the middle with white chocolate. I've coloured the white chocolate red just to give it more of an impact when you cut through it. And I'm just going to cover the whole outside of the cake with chocolate ganache. So I got white sugar paste, and then I slowly added colour to it until I was happy that it was the exact matching colour of the chicken breasts that I had, the real ones that I had in front of me. A red, a pink, yellow, and a little drop of black, just to give it that sort of brown, very slight brown tone, but only literally a small drop of black. Once I've draped it over the cake, what I'm using is a brand new nail brush. You can use brand new toothbrush, anything like that. It's the bristles that we're going to use to create this effect on the top. Using the pink water-based airbrush colour, I'm just slowly adding some really tiny details, and then I'm just going to paint the whole thing with an edible glaze. This will make it really nice and shiny like real chicken breast. Now I'm just using white sugar paste to add these bits of fat. Again, I'm just going to my reference. Again, just use your reference photo or the real chicken breast in front of you and copy them. That's the best way to do it. And it's simple as that, really. The main things to get right is the colour of the sugar paste that you use, the texture on top, and then that edible glaze. That really finishes it off and gives it that shiny sort of wet look that chicken breast has. Obviously this packet that I use, I washed out thoroughly a million times, but you don't have to use a real chicken breast packet. You can just put it on a plate or whatever you want to do. But it just made it extra gross, didn't it? So that's why I had to do that. And that's it, guys. A lovely vanilla cake with white chocolate ganache. That looks absolutely disgusting as raw chicken breast. An amazing illusion, because like I say, it's so far removed from a pretty nice cake. So really fun one to make. As always, if any of you guys make it, then please send me over some pictures on Instagram. I love to see the cakes that you guys make. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next cake video.